So a couple days ago, we shot a music video for my boy VG, aka Vidal G from the town. Little corrido video, y'all go check it out. It's out on my YouTube channel already. It's already up at like 2K right now. But yeah, so basically, I did a vlog. I've been trying to do it for a while now. And it was my first time doing it. It was my first time really being in front of a camera and like pointing it at myself. So it was a little weird. I was a little nervous. Honestly, it's time to stop being a little bitch and get in front of the camera. Stop being hella shy and shit. So you feel me? Gotta break out of that nutshell and try something new. It's a little weird talking to a little computer, you know? Or not even a computer, it's a lens. But basically, what I really want to start doing is I want to start showing myself a little more, interacting with my people a little more. I really want to get feedback from you guys and see what you guys want to see more of straight up, because I really just want to make the content for you guys. I really want to put other directors on game who really want to, you know, pick up some game and shit straight up. I mean, I learned through YouTube. I know there's a lot of y'all out there that can learn through YouTube as well, you know. I'm coming a little different. I'm being myself in all my vlogs. I'm being me in everything I do. I'm not faking shit. I'm not doing none of that no cursing shit. Like, I'm straight up just being me, like, you know. Authentic to the bone. So we shot a little vlog. I wasn't really fucking with the way it came out, honestly, because I just didn't really talk much. I wasn't really even trying to record myself that much, just simply from the fact that I'm kind of just shy on camera, like straight up. I've shot music videos with certain people, like for the first time, it's their first time shooting a music video, and they feel the same way, you feel me? Like, people aren't used to this little person-to-camera interactions, you know? You don't usually talk to cameras, you know? Unless you're a weird-ass nigga, you feel me? But yeah, so, you feel me? We just did something new, and I wanted y'all to check it out. So y'all make sure to go fuck with it. Y'all make sure to subscribe to my channel. Y'all make sure to leave a comment and let me know what I did wrong, what I fucked up on, what y'all want to see more of. I want all that. I need all the feedback I can get because I'm trying to get better at this shit. I know my first one was hella whack. I mean, it wasn't hella whack, but it was hella whack, you know? Like, I want to make them legit, and I'm going to make them legit. I just wanted y'all to see, kind of get a taste of what I'm doing. I mean, I got the little setup, the whole little woo-wop going, you know? We smoking on some peanut butter mixed with some guava cake. Shout out Dev's Garden, shout out Treehouse. I'm always keeping my lungs right. I'm always keeping my lungs healthy and blessed. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, here's the motherfucking vlog. Wow. Alright, y'all, so today we got a corrido video on Oakland. Shout out my boy Vidal G, he won the giveaway. That's who we're doing it for. I decided to start vlogging. It's something that I've been thinking about doing for a while. If it comes out good, it comes out good. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But if you're watching it, it's obviously because it came out pretty cool. You feel me? I'm just gonna take you guys on the journey of what I do on my regular day. How I do my job, basically, and then we're just gonna go from there. I'm trying to get better and better at these vlogs as I go, you know? I don't even know if I'm in the frame right now, to be honest. So I got the Sony camera, carbon fiber. Feel me? Might get a couple drone shots today, I'm not 100% sure. Debating on using the battery should be 100% charged, yes sir. Oh, you gotta make sure your batteries are charged, because I've been screwed, I ain't gonna lie. I pull up somewhere and I only got like one battery charged. Luckily with this beast, one battery, I could probably shoot 2 videos if I do it quick enough. But yeah, you always want to make sure that you got batteries, you got everything you need, all your supply to make a high nigga pie, you feel me? So I usually carry my stabilizer in this case. But for time saving sakes, I've already adjusted it to where it needs to be. Exactly for the weight and calibrated it perfectly for my camera. Alright y'all, so I got everything ready to go. This is what it looks like once my trunk is full of everything, all the equipment. We got this yellow bin that pretty much holds everything that I need, from cables to lights to reflectors. Pretty much everything, all the little niche things that you need, you know, stay organized and shit. I got my Godox light right here, got another light over here. Got my light stands. All this prop money. I don't know if we're even gonna use these props, but hey. Just in case, you never know. I'm heavy on that. Heavy on the just in case, you never know. A music video. I'm vlogging too. Say what's up.
What's up? Subscribe to CHOPPO right now.
Right now, let them know.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's happening?
Dang.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
What's good?
What's going on?
Huh?
In the house, you left your money.
Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Start vlogging today. Bro, I don't even know if this vlog's gonna come out good, but fuck it, you know, I'm just doing it.
Fuck it, bro.
Alright gang, so we just pulled up. Put it to the deep beast. Some of my guys over here.
Chilling.
Bohemio boys over here, fucking around. Yes sir. I mean, a little versatility with this thing. The vortex mode. Throw this bitch in and out. A little cool shit like that I fuck with it. That's why I use this one right here. A lot of people use that, the Ronin M. It's cool, but it gets hella heavy, honestly. This thing is light. You ready, my boy?
Yeah, it's sure. Come on, we ready.
Come on.
We ready.
Yes, sir.
Set to the block right there too.
Yes, sir.
We out here.
We got it going today.
We out here in the town.
All right, so we're gonna do this little corner scene right now. We're finna fuck around.
Yeah.
I'm at my camera right here recording everything. In the middle of the street, shit gets a little hectic. Yeah, shit gets a little hectic sometimes. Cars and shit, but fuck around and get backed. 3, 2, 1.
Vengo desde abajo, poco a poco progresando. La vida me ha enseñado que somos
We got a car, Eddie.
doble vaso en la
got a
mano.
car.
Siempre me verán tumbado, listos para tirar vergazos con la 9 por un lado y ya. Me enfadé de entretener y para llegar a mi nivel, bitch. Me la paso generando
directing traffic and shit. How you doing?
I didn't expect all these trucks to be out here. They mobbing today, they getting litty with it. Tell them what we doing.
What we doing?
What we doing.
Stupid shit over there. We got shit cranking over there.
Sheesh.
Come on, we deep. That's how we do it in town, boy.
Damn, bro.
Alright, so now we're gonna fuck around and do a solo scene of him in front of the car, and I'm gonna put some smoke bombs in the back of the car to make it, you know, a little more extravagant. I think this might be the last scene of the video, but it's coming out pretty dope. Fucking with it.
Vengo desde abajo, poco a poco progresando. La vida me ha enseñado que somos doble vaso. Siempre me verán tumbado.
Can't wait to edit this video. This is gonna be dope. I'm juiced. Today was a success, you know. It was a pretty easy shoot today, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty straightforward. Usually when it's not a storyline, it's pretty easier. When it gets storylines, then you gotta like book stuff and you gotta do all this kind of stuff. When it gets a little harder, you know. But today was cool. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So there you have it. The first Eddie CHOPPO vlog. I basically just want to show y'all what life is like behind the lens of a director. You feel me? I be having hella fun, bro. I be vibing with my people. I be having, fucking around, smoking hella weed on set and everything. I like to have fun when I work, straight up. But I work hard, like at the same time, people know, like I'm very laid back in my shoots, but I love to work and I get shit done, like, you know what I mean? That's another thing. Just because I smoke weed, don't think I'm one of them like lazy ass niggas that don't like to get down and work, Shout out VG. Go slap Desde Abajo on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram. Shit. On both. Go slap that shit. You feel me? Show your moms, show your pops, show your girl, show your dog, show your mailman. Fuck it. Just show somebody. Go watch that shit. Go subscribe. Go leave a like. Go leave a comment. Go do all that dope shit. You feel me? Stay tuned for everything I got in the works. I got a lot of things coming up, especially in November. I appreciate every single person that supports me straight up. From the bottom of my heart, we gonna keep it going. We gonna keep it rolling straight up. The camera never stops rolling. Shout out all my niggas at HP. You know we got a lot of work on the way. We got a lot of shit on the way. So y'all stay tuned for that for real, because you know we coming in hot. You never know when we gonna drop. You know, you might get dropped with a Glock. I don't even know what I'm saying, but oh yeah, by the way, this is called the motherfucking Eddie Choppo for you if you didn't know. You feel me? I'm rolling Eddie Choppos, big choppos, big chops.